Hello, this is Corm coming to another video. We're doing Genshin Impact. We're going to be doing some world boss hunting. My friend wants to get his characters to level 90, so we're going to be trying to farm some supplies for these girls.
Electric.
We're going to be doing the whatever the hell this thing's called. I think I'm just going to take these two. So we're fighting that guy, the Thunderbird or something. What's this called? Thunder Manifestation. We're going to be rocking and rolling on that. Oh, steal that. Going in. Look at them blue wings. Love it. Going in. Alright. I don't know if I should have went with her. Good lord. This son of a bitch. Oops, am I swearing? Yeah, I'm swearing.
The version that was in that game, in that challenge, kicked my ass. You notice that?
No, I haven't fought a Thunderbird.
You didn't do the there was a event a month ago that had you fight different monsters. Thunderbird was one of them.
I think I just did the low level version or something and just beat the shit out of it. I didn't care about getting points. I just did like level 70 and he died quick.
No, I didn't. I went for a higher level. I went for max level, bitch.
No. I was not fighting like a level 100 Thunderbird or whatever. I was like, I don't care about getting. I didn't care about getting what's it called, crystals or whatever for my weapon crystals. So we got to go do Thunder Lizard or whatever.
Yeah.
Louis Harbor.
Thunder Lizard. Rock Stone Toad.
We're gonna go do this guy.
Rock Toad.
Yeah, I always get him and the stupid Trounce Domain guy mixed. Hopefully there's going to be some new character designs they're showing off.
Yeah, I've already seen some of the leaked versions, man. They're fucking awesome.
I just hope they're cool. That's the problem is
Oh, let's see who was cool. Okay, so the boy, the twin is going to be the 5-star. The girl is going to be the 4-star.
Yeah, the assistant of the magician.
Yeah. I think they're going to let the, what's her name? Remember that hot chick with the glasses? It's one of the pelican gods or the flamingo gods.
Oh, they're really going to bring her in?
Yep, as playable.
Oh, I loved her.
The inventor with the glasses.
Yeah.
Then the black dress and the black hair.
Yeah, I think she was the one I was saying was the hot one. I was like, why'd they kill her? I thought she was the one that died, and you said, no, she's not the one that died.
Nope, they're making her a playable character. Is that water or electric? Or ice?
I don't even care. I'm going in.
He's going to care if it's ice. That looks pretty icy.
I won't.
Yeah, we're fucked.
Is he immune to ice? I need a Healy squid.
So I'm not doing a whole lot of damage to his ass. See that much. I'm doing more damage getting him wet than I am getting him cold.
What the fuck? How'd I die? I was max HP.
Alright, big bada boom heal.
Grinder time. This guy. This guy just took a dump. Like, all right, there you go. He did. Let's see what we got. Anything good? All right, and no, we are. How many jades we got? We're 29 in. I think we're good. I don't think who takes jades. Are we heading back to Thunderbirder?
Yep. Hopefully Thunderbird is back up. Yep, looks back up.
All right. I gotta go make some homemade biscuits. I think what I missed in the homemade biscuits is I got like pancake mix and then I gotta add flour to it or something. I forgot. I'm always rooting for the anti-hero. Come on, charge, you stupid bee. Ah. Don't move. She's gonna move. God damn it. It fucking moved. Charge, please. What the fuck? Ah. Alright, he did. Let's see what we got.
Oh, I only got 2 that time.
We got 3, so we're good. We're 20 something in. I'm just doing these just to kill the stuff. My friend needs it, I'll do it. Alright. Louis Harbor. We're gonna go do the Thunder Lizard again or whatever. This is kinda boring. I can't help it. He wants to level a character to 90. I'm not really... I don't know. So did they say when the next new character is gonna arrive at all or anything? Or is it next banner we're gonna get in 2 months or 2 weeks we're gonna get a new character or anything?
No.
I want new
characters. We're gonna
be
doing it. We won't be getting that for a bit. I thought they were saying at least 4, version 4. We're at like what, 3.8, 3.7?
Okay, so that means they're going to be a 3.9er and then a 4-pointer.
Yeah. Oh, this one's Fire Toad.
All right, you ready?
Yep. Aha. Is that rock? Is that Geotoad? Oh, that's fire.
Alright, do hit a lot harder on this one. Let's see. Charge this shit. Come on, man. Charge. Oh, he's going underground. What a padunk. Yeah, I'm on. Stop touching him. Alright, he did. Eat this! Eat it! Eat it! Blizzard! Alright. He ate that Dairy Queen Blizzard, baby. Oh man, I want a Dairy Queen Blizzard.
Woohoo, 3.
Want the Oreo, baby. Ooh, crit helmet with... I got a crit helmet with defense, HP, elemental mastery. What everybody wants. Is there anyone I even want? No. Is there anyone I even want to take to 90 out of all these characters I got? Anybody? Anybody I want to even take to 90? I got this guy. Do I gotta ascend him? Oh, I just gotta make the 5 things. So there's those guys. They're my things, but I don't even want to raise them to 90. Ugh. They're not even that fun. Who would I take? I think I want to take Layla to 90 is the only one I really wanted to go to 90, but I took Mona to 90.
So we're on banner 3.8, by the way.
Yeah.
And it's going to be...
Where's Layla? Am I on her right now? Oh, I'm on her right now. Let's see what I have to do to take her to 90. Alright. I need 2 more perpetual calibers, and I get her to 90. So that's good. But let's see. We got any artifacts or anything we can just chunk up? Is there anything that's nice? We're looking for some crits, baby. We got anything up in here that's some critties? Anything crits? Ah, we got one. That's HP with crits. That's energy recharge. Those are plus 20s. This is HPs. That's defense.
So the next banner is going to be... the next banner is going to be
HP.
Kokomi and Wanderer, Scaramouche, on phase 2 of 3.8.
Elemental. HPs. We need some attack and crits, baby.
And then banner 4 is when we're supposed to start getting
Alright, nothing good. Okay.
Lenny, Lynette, and Fermentnet, which is a guy.
Yeah, that dude in the wetsuit that kind of looked like a chick at first?
No,
that was falling in the water.
Claymore guy.
Yeah, I know, but there was that one dude. It kind of looked like a chick that was falling in the water at the beginning of that fucking video.
Sure.
You know the video that just came out that showed all the new characters, and there's that guy falling in the water, and it looks like he's in a wetsuit.
I don't think it's that guy, but okay.
Oh, okay. I was like, oh, is that a chick? And it kind of looked like a chick, and you're like, is it a chick? I was like,
well, I
no.
still doubt about that, but...
Yep. All right, we're going to try this one. We're just going to throw some shit in it. It's the only attack we got. Let's see if we can get it up any good. Maybe it'll hit some crits. If not, we're going to end it here. If it doesn't hit the crit, we're out of here. This has been a bum. Oh, gee, bro. All right.
So apparently there is no 3.9 patch. It's going to go from 3.8 to 4.
Oh, that's good. Yep, we're going to throw that one in there. What's this one? Oh, wow. That is a good one. You state. All right, Geo, you can go in there. What's this one? Crit rate. It's got crit damage. All right. What the hell is my thing doing?
You're going to get Lenny and Lynette and Fremont to be the 4.0 banner. One I can read.
Nendro. All right. There we go. Enhance. All right. This thing is dead to me. It is dead. We're done. That was it. All right. Thank you for watching. We'll be back after these messages. Hit that like and subscribe.